How close she is. She's so sweet. Okay, let's her. And then look at how small the geese are compared to her. She's huge.
Stand up and look over there.
What?
Stand up and look over there.
Oh, what am I looking for? Oh, all these guys are still fishing. All the coomies. We've got...
Look at the egret in blue.
We got blue right there, and then boom, an egret. I think they love each other.
Every time I go to take a picture of the egret, she looks dead at me.
And blue. Oh, they're all going to bed.
Look, every time I go to take a picture of her, she looks right at me.
Yeah. We got big mouths down there. And we got...
She showed them Pear.
Nah, it's too far for this.
Well, Pear's up in that tree, and then the
Ravens, yeah.
the ravens.
Look how pretty.
And then the pretty swan.
And she's young. Yeah, eat all that green shit. Just look at the size difference, man. It's just a huge bird. Huge. Okay. See you later.